Jesus Christ. We were at what is the Christian attitude to barrenness? What is barrenness? It is a situation whereby a woman cannot bring forth what? A child. So, what attitude should you have, you as a Christian? Yes, you should accept it because it's the will of who? The will of God. If a man has a wife who cannot bring forth children, the couple should still remain what? Faithful to each other. So the man should continue being faithful. They should love each other always. They should be supportive. And supportive, we mean you can go for medical checkups. You check what is wrong. Most of the time, it is the male's sperm count that has issues. Most of the time. But telling your husband to go to the hospital is another problem. He will ask you, so you think I'm the one who's the problem? And now you're scared of him. Look at the research that has been done there before. It shows that if a woman cannot bring forth children, most of the time it's the man, sperm count. There's something that happens in biology. You can ask your biology teacher. That has issue. I don't know, they cannot be able to swim. I don't know, I don't understand. Also, another attitude that you should have is to avoid what? Criticism. You don't blame each other. You don't keep on blaming each other. You're the reason that is making us not have what? Children. There's a woman who was, it was the other day on the news, they did not have any child, and then when she was 50, they had children. They had one child, but they had to go abroad and come back. I wonder why. Nowadays, I told you, if you have an issue in your marriage when you are at that age of bringing forth children, you just take your wife to the hospital. Nowadays, every woman must have a child. The research has been done so they can be able to easily bring forth children. So the most important is, the attitude is to keep on encouraging each other. You seek for any medical help. You also go for counseling in the church, yes? You're supposed to receive counseling, because if you during the time that you were getting married, there was also another couple that was getting, and they're having like 2 children. You'll feel something. So you need a lot of counseling. From there,